Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gustan Associates. I'm going to talk to you because my processor wants me to do this video for you. Let me explain how the loan process works and why we need these documentations accurately and what we need accurately. So what we're going to ask you for in the beginning after we pre-qualify you is we're going to ask you for 2 years tax returns, all pages. We want them legible. So if you fax them in and they come in sideways and it's cut off one little number, underwriters won't take it. So we're really strict about what we need. We need things to come over perfect. So if you can scan it, email in a straight line, she's happier. We need 2 years W-2s. If you have multiple jobs, we need all the W-2s. If you get 1099, we need the 1099s. We need all your income docs to be right. So if you own a business, 2 years business returns. So we ask for everything. 2 years tax returns, 2 years business returns, the 1099s that go with your self-employment, and the W-2s. We want it all. If you're just W-2'd one job, 2 years W-2s, that's good enough. That's all we need. There's nothing else. Then we're gonna ask for a month worth of pay stubs. A lot of you guys struggle with that. 30 days of pay stubs. So if you get paid twice a month, that would be 30 days worth of pay stubs. If you get paid every 2 weeks and you get us 2 pay stubs, it would only be 28 days worth. So we need a third pay stub. So we need 3 pay stubs if you get paid every 2 weeks. We need 2 pay stubs if you get paid twice a month. And we need 5 pay stubs you get paid every week. If you get paid once a month, 1 pay stub. So we need 30 days of pay stubs. Again, not cut off. It needs to be legible. It can't be fuzzy. It can't be printouts from your company. It's actually got to be an actual pay stub. You can't get these funny looking printouts that you get. So please get us all the official stuff. Your tax returns, all official, all the right stuff. Your W-2s, perfectly, not cut off. And then 30 days worth of pay stubs. And then we're going to ask you for 2 months worth of bank statements, all pages. I know if page 8 is blank, of 1 of 8, 2 of 8, 3 of 8, and then 8's got nothing on it, you don't think you need to send it, we need it. The underwriter needs to make sure there's nothing on there. What they're looking for, I don't know, but we need all pages. If it's your 401k, we need the most recent quarterly. And let me tell you about some tricky things on the 401k. If you're using your 401k money, we need to get something called the terms of withdrawal. The terms of withdrawal is a very difficult document for me and my clients to get. It's something you should just call your 401k company and have them send it to you. It just describes what it's going to cost you if you want to take out this loan or this withdrawal. It's not about your specific withdrawal you're going to make. It's general for all withdrawals from that 401k. They need to see that. So we need, if you ask for a terms of withdrawal, we need that. Then if you are withdrawing money from there, we're going to need to see the money coming out of the 401k. Not only do we need the quarterly, we need to see the money leaving the 401k account. Kind of tedious. All right, so all pages to that, the most recent quarterly, terms of withdrawal, and then the money coming out, copy of the check, deposit in your bank account. Now that's where it gets tricky with your bank account. Now you've already given us 2 months bank statement. Underwriter's going to ask to see the earnest money check clearing, and they're going to ask to see the 401k money going in. So what you have to do is get an in-between bank statement this is after we start the process. So there's an in-between bank statement called an activity statement. A lot of you guys send snapshots. We can't have a snapshot because the snapshots doesn't show the balance changing daily with the deposits and the withdrawals happening. The underwriter needs to see all the activity from the date of the last statement you gave us, that ending date, till the date of the earnest money check clearing and the 401k clearing into your account. So we need that statement. It's called an activity statement. We will not accept it if it doesn't have your name, the last 4 of the account number, the debits, the credits, the balance changing, and at the very bottom, if you get it off the internet, is a URL address to verify that this came from your bank account. We really need that. A lot of people struggle with that. Now, if you want to go into your bank, they can make one for you. They have to stamp it. That proves that it's legitimate. So the URL address is for the internet, and the stamp on the activity statement at the bank is to verify it's legitimate. So those are the things we're going to ask for there. So a copy of your ID, it's got to be valid. It can't be expired from 3 years ago. So we're going to ask for IDs. Make sure it's legible. Sometimes you guys fax them over and it just looks like a bunch of black and white and you can't see anything. So make sure it's clear. And I think that those are the initial things that you're going to have to need for sure. Now, if we ask you to write a letter, explanation of something, just write a little short letter, sign it and date it. Everything's got to be signed and dated. If we ask for something, sign it and date it. So those are things that we're going to ask for too. So my processor really wanted me to say, you guys help you get the loan, and it makes the process go a lot smoother. And don't hate us for all the stuff we're asking for. A lot of you guys get frustrated. Why this, why that? So This is the stuff we need. I didn't make the rules. This is the game I'm playing, and I want you guys to help us out. All right? So thank you very much for watching this. And you can go to gustanshow.com. That's gustancho.com, and see some more videos or read some more blogs on this topic. Or you can call me. I'll answer any of your questions at 630-915-7550.